you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Sephora's Favorites 12 Days of Skincare box to show you guys. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this just arrived, and this was actually part of my Christmas gift. My mother actually ordered me a palette that I'm going to be doing soon, so you'll see that, and this guy right here. Now this item on Sephora's website is $52, that's what she paid, and it says it has a value of $150 inside within the 12 different items. So let's go ahead and see in here. Let's see what's in here and see if it is at least a value of the $52. So this is the outside of the packaging, and it shows you the items that are already going to be inside. So at least that's good. So you see what you're getting ahead of time. And the back goes over all of the different items and the ingredients in each item. So let's see what this is. Oh, there's a sticker. Is there only one? Nope, there's two. Okay, at least I know no one's gotten into it. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. It kind of looks like a little advent calendar, so that is really, really cute. Are they numbered at all? Nope, there's no numbers, so you just pick a box and get on. Get on in it. So let's go ahead and just start with this one right here. So this guy is Dr. Dennis Gross, clinical grade. It says after just 2 weeks, 100% of subjects showed improvements in skin radiance, 95% showed improvement in skin texture, and 83% showed improvement in appearance of pores. Not for sale. So what is this? How to use 4 a.m. and p.m. Use 3 times a week. Apply step 1 to a cotton ball by making 2 3-second turns. Massage into clean dry skin. Wait 2 minutes and repeat the process with step 2. Do not rinse. So is there a 2-stepper in here? Yes, there is. If you're using only 1 or 2 drops, I guess you could get a good, trial with this. But here would be, here is the step 1. And this is, like I said, a very small bottle, but if you're only using a couple drops, then it probably will last you a little while. And then here would be step 2 in this little vial. And then it does come, oh, that one's actually loose. I am so surprised it did not leak because that was so loose. Like another turn, it would have been off. And then it gives you, it gives you little tiny cotton balls up in there. How cute. Okay, so here is item number 1. So I'm actually excited to try that. I mean, it says, that's what I was reading, after results after 2 weeks. So let's see how long I can stretch these little drops and see what happens. So there's item number 1. Let's just go with the next one next to it. And I was hoping this wasn't going to be full of just small sample sizes, because then how would it be worth $150? But we're going to see. I'm only at number 2. Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. And this guy here, apply to cleanse skin before bed, can be used nightly. Can be used nightly, so I bet you're not supposed to use it every single night, but I like the colors. I like this blue. And then inside is just like a normal, looks like a normal face lotion. So I'm excited to try that and see what that does, but it says Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream, so it's just for your face. Then in here, this product I've received in another box and I've already used it. So that's really good because now I have a backup. Well, now I have another one. And this is the Peter Thomas Roth C Power Serum. So it's a face serum. It should have the little, the little spout. So it's a face serum to use. So again, I'm excited because the other one didn't last me too long because it is a small bottle. So at least now I do have another one. And here's another little guy. This is Kiehl's Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Herbal Concentrate. So I'm not sure if that's a face oil, because all it says is just it's an herbal concentrate. In the back of this box, it doesn't say what they are, it just says the ingredients only. And there's no instructions on this. So if anybody has ever seen this, let me know. Is it just a face oil? Is it just like a standard face oil? Because all it says is Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Herbal Concentrate. So do I have to mix it with something if it's a concentrate? I don't know. If you know, let me know. Then, was that in this one? Yeah. This Sunday Riley. Yep, this is Sunday Riley, and I think I got this one already too. A+ high dose retinoid serum. And it has that type of a top to it. So we have this serum by Sunday Riley, which is a really good brand. Then Clinique cream. This is a brightening night cream. So, and it's a nice little glass jar. And I don't think I've ever used any skin products from Clinique. It doesn't really have a scent, just like the other one didn't either. It's just a night cream. So I'm really excited. Wait, how did I see Clinique? That is not Clinique. That is not Clinique. All right, so that is the product. That is not Clinique. My brain read Clinique while I was trying to grab it out with my big old banana hands, trying to grab them out, but you know, that is definitely not Clinique. So in here we have, I'm not quite sure, but this is a prickly pear goji super berry hydrate and glow oil, youth to the people. So there's another like face oil. So this is definitely all skincare, like it says, 12 days of skincare, and it's supposed to be their favorites. So there are actually some really good brands so far. And we have a Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. So another face serum with a little pumping action top on the top. And facial serum. Apply evenly to face and neck daily. After fully absorbed, follow with the moisturizer of your choice. For external use only. At least they're easy to get out. And this guy is a Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I'm actually excited to try that. Avocado is really good for your hair and your skin. And there is the little, it doesn't smell like anything. No, it doesn't really smell like anything, but now we have a sleeping mask. So that is really cool. I can't wait to try that. And this says Knockout Tingling Treatment, Tarte Skincare. We have a Tarte product, and it says, like the burn, love the return. And it is a face tingling treatment by Tarte. Let's see what the actual product looks like. There we go. So there's that guy. And we have two more in here. And this one here is Herbivore Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. It looks green. Oh. Ooh, holy moly. It's all liquid. Like, I'm gonna dump it out like liquid. Oh, whoa. Oof. Poochie. Apply a thin layer to your face, leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, rinse with warm water. I am not sure if anybody's seen this before. Let me know. I'm a little scared of that one. And then the last item is a serum, more retinol, and some words that I'm not even gonna try to butcher. And it says sample not for resale. There's no instructions. This reduces visible lines and wrinkles. Okay, so it's like a face serum probably. So that is everything that came in this entire little box. So we have a face serum. We have like a wet consistency of something that I'm not sure of. We have the avocado mask. We have the sleepy mask that's not Clinique. We have the Sunday Riley. We have this Truth serum. We have a prickly pear serum, Peter Thomas Roth serum, Kiehl's cannabis serum, Lotus wrinkle serum, this two-step situation, and the knockout tingling by Tarte. Do you think by these little 12 samples is worth $150? I mean, I'm sure a lot of these are expensive brands, so I can see that, but these are all tiny little samples. Some of like my advent calendars, I paid about $50 and I got 24 samples. This one you only get 12 samples. So I don't know, do you guys think that this is worth $52? Because it was not on sale, it was $52. Let me know what you think. I'm excited to try out some new products because I know some of these are supposed to be like really good skincare lines. So I'm excited to try them out. I just kind of wish that some of them, even like maybe one or two of them, would have been a little bit of a bigger size sample of them, but that's just my own personal opinion. So let me know what you guys thought. Do you think this was worth the $52? Do you see the $150 value? Let me know down below what your thoughts are. And yeah, so that's everything that I have for you guys today. If you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button so then you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.